Hey guys, so my package from Japan finally came in and I'm really excited about this just because it's a long awaiting package that took over probably like 3 weeks. Well, no, not even, probably like 2 or actually no, 1.5 weeks. But yeah, so let's just rip into it. Alright, so basically I got my receipt and a little letter that says, "Hi, present for you, Japanese green tea, thank you so much. Arigato." I believe that's what it says. I'm not that good with Japanese. So it's a nice little packet of tea, so I will try this out, let y'all know. And I spent over $27.15. It has some Japanese newspaper and stuff, and there it is. Well, I don't know if y'all can tell what it is, but I know exactly what it is. And it's the long-awaited. Well, let me take off the wrapping because I can't really see it. It's the long-awaited VENTUS PLITHEON combat set. Here's the back side. Now let's quickly open it. I'm gonna try not to damage the packaging just because I am planning on keeping it. So surprisingly, the packaging did slip right off. So I'm like, okay, that's not bad. Wow, amazing, amazing, amazing. I am in love with this. So obviously first, let's check out the cards, the instructions, and all that good stuff. Alright, so here's the package. Well, package number 1. It has over 2, I think? Yeah, 2. So, there's a lot of tape. Alright, so let's go over the ability cards first. I believe these are called, and like a metal card. I believe it comes with 2 cards and 1 gate card, I think. Alright, so the first one is, well, actually, here's the metal card. So it's basically a picture with Raptorix, Ventus Raptorix. The first one we have is this one. Pretty cool background with Plithion. Here's the other one. Pretty cool. And here's in English. Y'all can read it if y'all would like to. So there's that. There's that. Pretty cool. Alright, so this is the second package. Basically it's just this little, I don't know, this little advertisement about the Bakugan and the battle gears, and surprisingly it has some traps in it, I believe, on the other side. Yeah, here's some traps, some battle gears, all that cool stuff. But here are the Bakugan. Exactly what y'all been waiting for. Pretty cool, amazing. Surprisingly, this one doesn't have the DNA code. However, the Ventus Plithion does. The MG at the bottom of the Bakugan means magnet, if y'all didn't know. Well, here's Valantor. He's gold, and surprisingly, he's actually pretty strong. He's at 200 Gs. Pretty cool. And then we have the long-awaited Ventus Plithion. Now for him, his G's is... Okay, this is kind of hard. It is 520 Gs. Pretty weak. But I don't really suspect anything about that. But yeah, so... that's pretty much it, guys. Sorry it's not that long, but I will be doing a review on this guy. So thank y'all for watching. Bye.